Wanna know how to add exposure to your images easily by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your web browser and type in befunky.com. Now once you're there, you should be directed to its official website. Make sure you are logged in. Now on the dashboard, you can see photo editor. Click on it. And once you're there, in order to import any images, just simply click on open and choose any one from these options. Now once you've imported, in order to change this exposure, make sure you are in edit. And under essentials, you can see exposure option right here. Click on it. And once you're there, you can just simply adjust the brightness, contrast, in order to make it more darker or more brighter. You can adjust the slider accordingly until you find the right one. And you can also apply it to the entire image, foreground or background only. And you can also customize the effect area, and once you're done with it, just simply click on apply. Now to save it, you can click right here and save it on your computer or anywhere else that you like. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.